What I love about Connection Feast is I get to come and really just be myself. I've shown up in very different moods, and I am honest with everybody around me about how I'm feeling. I get to have really intimate and vulnerable conversations with people I don't know and probably would never meet, given the activities that I do in my life and the spaces that I occupy. And I come here and it's just beautifully diverse. People are excited, they're genuinely interested, and they invest a lot of energy in really trying to get to know me and them. And I feel like it's so special to be able to be in a space where people are here to connect with each other, not here to do something else, and that's just kind of like a haphazard part of it. Like, we are here to really just be ourselves and to learn about ourselves, and it just feels beautifully human in a way that we often don't even have anymore. So I love it.
The events are all so different and unique, and I feel like no matter what the theme is of the event, I connect so deeply with the people that I am partnered with that I leave every time knowing that I've learned about someone else's spark and they've learned about mine, and that just carries on throughout the world.
Right. I like this event because it brings a lot of different kind of people with different cultures, different backgrounds, different ethnicities, and fresh faces. Most of us, we don't know each other, and we have different topics every month, and we talk about, we just become more vulnerable, and there's no judging in this event, and we talk about anything that we want, and we try to relate to each other, and that's what I like about it, just genuine connection, meaningful connection between people. So that's what I like about this event.
I like that I get to connect with different people and have really meaningful conversations, not just very shallow small talk, but really connect with people in a deeper way. I like that I get to meet new people and have deeper conversations. It goes way beyond the shallow small talk type of conversations you typically have. We really get to talk about our lives and deeper subjects, which I really appreciate.